What's up, guys? Figured this is a good time as ever to start vlogging again. So this is our first day back from a 2-week break for COVID-19, the coronavirus pandemic. We decided to close the shop because we all wanted to stay safe. We didn't really know what was going on. We decided to close for 2 weeks, see how it goes. I'm the first one here right now. We're just gonna kind of go through the motions today, see where we're at, and doing pretty crazy. So hope everyone is feeling safe, and if you're home bored, hopefully this is a little bit of entertainment for you. Not sure what we're gonna be doing today, but we'll make it fun. We'll figure it out and go from there. Basically what we're doing is taking these stickers and putting them on this van that I plastered up earlier, just to finish the commercial theme of it. Look, that's Gus over there. He's the owner. Very camera shy. But he's the owner of the shop. Cool dude. One day we'll get him on camera. Now it's after hours. Peace and quiet. Wrapping this Acura in some woodland camo. This car was out in the rain, but I had already tucked in all the edges, so I'm not really worried about water kind of damaging it. Clean up the car because it was a crazy, super windy day today, like crazy windy. Like after all this corona stuff, like we expect things to calm down, and today we just had like this crazy windstorm. It's not gonna stop me though. I'm gonna go straight to work. Let's do it. So far it's been about an hour. I've done absolutely nothing but drink Red Bull. The way I specifically wrap Camo wraps like this is front to back, whole panel, quarter panel, doors, fender, all in one shot. Through the side, you can see all the patterns match. Aside from the side skirt, you see the side skirt has a slightly different pattern. That's because of this recess area right here. The door comes down like this, and then the side skirt comes in like this. Now you can't really wrap that in one piece seamlessly without stretching in here, which on a custom print you're gonna see it when you start to stretch it. It starts to turn white. This camera got some good low light settings. All right, so just cleaned up. Like I said, the car was really wet, so I'd rather just wait till tomorrow when the car is mostly dry, clean it up, and then start wrapping it again. Because if I stay here just drying it, I'm gonna spend more time drying it than actually wrapping. So I'd rather get a good night's sleep and, you know, tomorrow get to it. That's my baby. Damn, this guy's flying. It was a cop. I know I'm slacking. I didn't record anything yesterday or today. Just been busy. and a lot of the stuff was kind of like boring, so I didn't want to keep recording it. But I was working on getting this car out. That's not the color I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna keep this car. It's gonna be my summer car. Right now I'm bringing it to our sister shop, and they're just gonna do all the body work and paint it. Obviously I could do that here, but right now it's kind of in the way. I have too many projects coming in for me to handle a car like this, so it's not going any special color. It's just that it has a couple dents and stuff, so I want to fix that and then just paint the car black again, and then, you know, throw some wheels on it. Right now the wheel was stuck. The rear disc brake has just been sitting so much, it was all rusty, so I bought a new set for the rear, changed it out earlier today, and then now we're gonna drop it off and hopefully see it in maybe like 3 or 4 weeks. It's been a minute since I've been in an older car, like just having flashbacks from my 05. I don't know if you can see me. Camera zoomed in too much. There we go. Can't be a Honda without the check engine light. So my battery died yesterday, so I didn't really record much after what, you know, me wrapping the car. So today's Saturday. These vlogs, gonna try them doing once a week, so I'll film the whole week, edit on Sunday. But good news is I got a new microphone. It's a cheapy microphone. I don't like buying high-end microphones because somehow they always end up breaking. See what this thing sound like. Alright, don't break. Okay. Alright. Now we have this wire or this wire. I like this one. Looks like, you know, like the FBI. So I'm gonna put this, I guess I'll go this way, the side of the camera. Ready? Testing. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a new microphone. Does it sound any better? Let me know in the comments. I don't know. I'm gonna be able to hear it until I start editing this video, but hopefully you guys like it. When it gets windy, I'll put the what's this called? The rat's foot or something. It looks like a dead rat. I think that's what it's called, a dead rat. Again, I don't really keep this camera in the studio. I use it for work and it moves around a lot. So for me to buy expensive fancy equipment doesn't make sense. I know it's gonna break. As long as it works, it works. Alright, so we got the rear bumper done. Pretty much just got to do the roof and the trunk. Sides, you know, looking good. Just gonna work on the front bumper. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the first vlog in a while. See you Monday.